Hari Om children. Today we can continue the exercise 7.2. 6 more questions are there. We can complete it now today. Okay. Now we can do the question. Integral root tan x divided by sin x into cos x dx. This is the question. Okay. Integral root tan x divided by sin x into cos x dx. Here is a very important question. Here in this question we have to multiply both the denominator by cos x. Okay, multiply and divide the denominator by cos x. That is equal to integral root tan x divided by sin x by cos x into cos x. Already one cos x is there. Okay, into dx. Here the first step is we have to multiply and divide the denominator by cos x. Multiply and divide by cos x. Okay, it will get cancelled. Net effect is 1. There will be no change for the given integrand. Okay, so multiply and divide by cos x in the denominator only. Therefore, we get sin by cos gives tan x, integral root tan x divided by sin by cos is tan x into what? Cos x into cos x is cos square x dx. Okay, cos x into cos x is what? Cos square x dx. Therefore, integral root tan x and tan x, root tan x will get cancelled. You will get here within 1 by cos square x, we can write it as sec square x. Okay, so here 1 by cos square x is here, we can write it as sec square x. Therefore, the function becomes integral sec square x dx divided by root tan x and tan x, right? We can cancel one root tan x. Root tan x will come in the denominator. Root tan x dx. Okay. So what the first step? Multiply and divide denominator by cos x. That is the first step. And we write like this: sin by cos, tan, cos x into cos x, cos square x. Okay. In the next step, here 1 by cos square x becomes what? Sec square x dx. And 1 root tan x will get cancelled. Here in the denominator 1 root tan x will come. Okay. Then we can apply substitution method. Here we put tan x is equal to u. Then sec square x dx becomes what? Du. Okay. Sec square x dx becomes du. Therefore, this function becomes integral. Sec square x dx becomes du, but du by root u. Okay, the function reduced into the form du divided by root u. Okay, here therefore we can convert this into the standard form. 1 by root u becomes what? U raised to minus half. Therefore, this function becomes integral. This equal to integral u raised to minus half du. Okay, u raised to minus half du. We know what is integral of x raised to n? X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. U raised to minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c. Okay, that is equal to u raised to minus half plus 1 as u raised to half. That is u raised to half by half plus c. That is 2 root u plus c. Okay, that is equal to 2 root what is u tan x plus c. 2 root tan x plus c. So this is the procedure. Okay, in the first step we have to multiply and divide the denominator by cos x. This is the starting. Or another method is also there. If we can here we can see root tan x. Okay, so we can multiply numerator and denominator by root tan x also. That's also another method. Okay, if we multiply both the numerator and denominator by root tan x, here it becomes tan x divided by root tan x into sin x cos x. Then you will get the same steps. Okay, that's also another method. The method is, please listen, integral root tan x into root tan x divided by sin x into cos x into root tan x dx. Okay, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by root tan x. Another method. Okay, this is also very simple method. Integral, it becomes what? Tan x divided by root tan x into what? Sin x cos x dx. Okay, then we can write tan x but sin by cos. Okay, sin by cos integral sin x by cos x divided by root tan x into what? Sin x into cos x. Okay, so one sin x will get cancelled, 1 by cos square x. We get the same form that we got in the earlier step. Okay, that is 1 by cos square x becomes sec square x divided by what? Root tan x. Same method we can follow. We can use substitution method, tan x is equal to root the answer. So we can use any method. Okay, this or the previous one. Okay, next one, integral x cube into sine of tan inverse x raised to 4 divided by 1 plus x raised to 8 dx. Okay, the question is integral x cube into sine of tan inverse x raised to 4 divided by 1 plus x raised to 8 into dx. Okay, don't worry, it's a very simple question. Here we have to find the function where we want to put u. That's only. Okay, here if we put tan inverse x raised to 4 equal to u. Okay, we are going to put tan inverse x raised to 4 is equal to what? U. We put it as u. Then if differentiating we get derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, x raised to 4 the whole square. Don't stop here. Chain rule, into derivative of 4x cube is what? 3x square into dx. Okay, into dx is equal to what? Du. Did we understand? Here we put which equal to u? Tan inverse x raised to 4 is equal to u. Differentiating 1 by 1 plus x square. That is 1 by 1 plus x raised to 4 the whole square. Into derivative of x raised to 4. Chain rule. We are applying chain rule also here. What is derivative of x raised to 4? Derivative of x raised to 4 is what? Sorry. Derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube dx is equal to what? Du. 4x cube dx is equal to du. Okay, derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube dx is equal to du. Therefore, from this we get x cube dx divided by 1 plus x raised to 8. Okay, x cube dx by 1 plus x raised to 8 is equal to du by 4. We take this 4 into this side. So we get 1 by 4 du. Okay, here in the given integrand, we can select x cube dx divided by what? 1 plus x raised to 8. We can, instead of this function, we can convert this into what? Du by 4 after substitution. Therefore, the given function will becomes what? X cube dx by 1 plus x raised to 8 becomes du by 4. Sine of tan inverse x raised to 4 becomes what? Sine u. Sine u into du by 4. Okay, the function becomes very simple function by using substitution. Therefore, 1 by 4 into what? Integral sine u du. Okay, what is integral of sine u? Minus cos u. 1 by 4 is the minus cos u by 4 plus c. That is minus cos of, what is u here? Tan inverse x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, minus cos of tan inverse x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. This is question. So first step we put tan inverse x raised to 4 equal to u. After that we get 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of x raised to 4, 4x cube dx is equal to du. From this we get this step. We change the function in terms of u. Okay, we write it in the function of u and we integrate. That's all. Okay. Next one is next problem is integral x plus 1 integral x plus 1 into x plus log x the whole square divided by x dx. This is the question. Evaluate integral x plus 1 into x plus log x the whole square whole by x into dx is the question. Here we put x plus log x. Okay, x plus log x is equal to u. If we differentiate this, differentiating, we get derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of log x is 1 by x into dx is equal to what? Du. Okay. That is, if you take the LCM here, x plus 1 by x into dx is equal to what? Du. Okay. Look here children, x plus 1 by x is here, into dx is also here. So we can take it together, x plus 1 by x into dx becomes what? Du. Therefore, the function becomes integral. This is equal to what? Integral x plus log x is u square into du. Okay, u square into du. What is integral of u square? U raised to 3 by 3 plus c. Okay, substitute for u is x plus log x the whole cube by 3 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, so also very simple question. Put x plus log x is equal to u. Same procedure you will get this. Okay. Then. Next one. Next one is integral 1 by 1 plus Cortex Dx. Okay, in the previous section we have already completed the question like this, integral 1 by 1 minus tan x. Same procedure is also here. We have to write Cortex as cos by sin. Okay, continue. Integral dx divided by 1 plus Cortex can be written as cos x by sin x. Okay, then take the LCM in the denominator, you will get integral dx divided by sin x plus cos x. Okay, sin x plus cos x whole divided by sin x. Then this take the sin x into the numerator. Integral sin x dx divided by what? Sin x plus cos x. Okay, for the next step we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. But here 2 sin x, here it becomes what? Denominator also we multiplied by 2. Okay, therefore we get half integral. What is the step here? Multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, that is take 1 by 2 outside. Integral 2 sin x can be written as sin x plus sin x. Okay, sin x plus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x into here sin x plus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. Next, our aim is we have to convert the numerator in the form numerator is derivative of the denominator, or we can cancel the common factor like that. We have to convert into that form. For this, here in the denominator it contains cos x. Okay, so we have to add and subtract cos x in the numerator. Okay, what is the step? Add and subtract cos x in the numerator. That is half into integral sin x plus cos x. We add cos x, then sin x minus cos x. Okay, we subtract cos x whole divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay, okay, we add and subtract cos x, okay, in the numerator, and we group it like this also. Sin x plus cos x we take it together, sin x minus cos x we take it together. Okay, we take it together. Then what is the next step? Split the integral. Divide each term of the numerator by the denominator. Then you will get half into integral sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x becomes 1 plus the second term is sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x into what? Dx. Okay, this is the next step. We split here, we divide each term of the numerator by the denominator. So first term becomes 1, the other becomes sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x. For evaluating this, here we have to put the denominator is equal to what? U. Put sin x plus cos x is equal to u. Then we can find the answer. Okay, then put, next step is put sin x plus cos x is equal to u. What is derivative of sin x? Cos x. Then what is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x into dx is equal to what? Du. Okay, here see this children, here the numerator is sin x minus cos x. Here we got it as cos x minus sin x. So what we have to do here? We have to take one minus sign outside from this. Okay, therefore we get here minus of sin x, here minus, so if you take minus sign outside, minus of sin x minus cos x dx becomes what? Du. Okay, because in this here the numerator is sin x minus cos x. Here we got it as what? Cos x minus sin x. So there is only the difference of one minus sign. So take minus sign outside. Minus of sin x minus cos x dx is equal to du. Therefore we get half of, okay, half of integral 1 plus, here sin x minus cos x, we can write it as what? Here this take minus sign to minus du, it becomes minus du, or we can split the integral. Okay, we can split the integral also. Integral 1 dx, integral 1 dx, we can split the integral also. Half of integral 1 dx plus integral sin x minus cos x can be written as minus du by u. Okay, minus du by u, because sin x minus cos x is minus du. Okay, therefore we get, what is that? Half into integral 1 is x minus, what is integral 1 by u? Log mod u plus c. Okay, log mod u plus c, that is half of x minus log of, what is u here? We put u is equal to sin x plus cos x, mod sin x plus cos x plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, here once some adjustments are there, multiply and divide by 2. Okay, and we add cos x minus cos x. Okay, you have to study that in way, you have to study all the steps. Okay, that's all. Then next we can discuss another question. Integral cortex into log sin x dx. Cortex into log of sin x dx. Here where we want to put to you here, cortex is there, log sin x is there. If we put the log of sin x, okay, log sin x is equal to u. If you differentiate this, what is derivative of log sin x? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. That is 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x dx equal to what? Du. Chain rule here. Okay. Log of sin x, derivative of log sin x is 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Into dx is equal to what is cos by sin? Cot. Okay. A cot x dx becomes what? Du. Therefore, this function becomes integral. Cot x dx becomes du. Log sin x becomes log what? Here it becomes what? Cot x sin x is equal to what? Du. And log sin x becomes what? U. Therefore, we get u into what? Du. U du. Log sin x is u. U into cot x dx is du. What is the integral of u du? U raised to 2 by 2 plus c. In the last step, substitute for u, that is log of sin x the whole square by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, there. Here we put log sin x is equal to u. That is the method. Okay, there. Next one. That's also very simple. Some questions are very simple. That is integral tan square 2x minus 3 dx. Very simple question. Integral tan square 2x minus 3 dx. We don't know integral of tan square 2x minus 3. So we have to convert into sec square. Okay. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So what is tan square theta? Sec square theta minus 1. So in the next step, we write tan square in terms of what? Sec square. So sec square 2x minus 3 minus 1 into dx. Okay, which formula? Trigonometric identity here is sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. From this, what is tan square theta? Sec square theta minus 1. Because we know the integral of here sec square. We don't know integral of tan square. Okay, so don't take it as x raised to n form. Okay, here we have to write, we know integral of sec square. What is integral of sec square is what? Tan. That is tan 2x minus 3. Don't stop it here. What is the coefficient of x2? Divide by 2. Okay. Integral of sec square is tan 2x minus 3 by 2 minus, what is integral 1x plus c. Okay. So convert into the form sec square theta minus 1. Okay. Then integrate. Then so a simple question. Then next here another one is also very simple question. Integral e raised to tan inverse x by 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, e raised to tan inverse x by 1 plus x squared dx. Here where we want to put to you, we know derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so we put which equal to you, tan inverse x is equal to u, tan inverse x is equal to u. If you differentiate this, we get what? 1 by 1 plus x square dx becomes what? Du. Therefore, this function becomes integral e raised to u into 1 by 1 plus x square dx becomes what? Du. Okay, what is integral of e raised to u? E raised to u plus c. That is e raised to u means tan inverse x plus c. Okay, then one more question. Integral 1 by x into log x raised to m into dx. Okay, that is x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. 1 by x into log x raised to m into what? Dx. Here where we want to put you, we know derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. So 1 by x dx is here. Okay, so in this question, put log x is equal to u. Then you will get du by u raised to m. So you can write it as u raised to minus m and you can complete the answer. Okay, that is u raised to here 1 by minus m becomes minus m is minus m x u raised to minus m, u raised to minus m plus 1 by minus m plus 1. We can apply the formula. We can do it that question also. Put log x is equal to u. Okay, that is 1 by x dx becomes what? Du. Therefore, integral 1 by x dx becomes du divided by what? U raised to m. Okay, that is integral u raised to minus m du. That is, this is of the form x raised to m form, u raised to minus m plus 1 by minus m plus 1 plus c. Okay, the last step, put u equal to what? Log x. That is, the final answer is log x raised to 1 minus m divided by 1 minus m plus c. This is the answer. Okay, so we can conclude here. This is the end of this exercise 7.2. 2 or 3 questions are there. It's a very simple question. You can do that. Okay, thank you, children.